Hi guys, I'm back. Today I am playing Bee Swarm and I am a noob at Bee Swarm, so I'm going to do some bee swarming, I guess, so that you've seen that I've started. And yeah, I might not because I'm a noob at Bee Swarm. I'm noob at everything actually. If I think about it, it's probably really bad. So I'm gonna wait till I get my pond bag, I guess. Which I'll call it a case. Why is my name all? You see that I've only got one. I've mostly got basic bees. And wait, what's this one called? It's on level 4. Yeah, I don't know. Check my bees. I've got 6 bees. I've discovered 2 types of bees. I've got 5 basic bees and 1 bumblebee. Doesn't look like a bumblebee because it's blue. I thought that guy's username said Gacha. It's 85 is doing a video, so subscribe. Search him up and subscribe to him because he's pretty cool. He's got more subscribers to me too. Ooh, nearly there. And do not look at this. Do not just be there, okay? Just, yeah. Oh, full back. Full. Turn. Oh my god, it's glitched. By the way, if you're wondering why it all glitches, is because I am on tablet and it says when I downloaded Roblox it is not compatible for my device, but it just let me download it. So I just don't care because I like Roblox. Also, I'm about to go and complete the Mother Bear's final quest. Okay. Oh, he's weird. Okay, I will take my character. Oh, that works now. Says you died, your bees must recover at the hive. I'm gonna turn the chat off, it glitches too much for me. As you see, I'm not on a private server because if you've seen other videos, I didn't have much Robux, and I only have 1. So, yeah. I just wanted to keep up with you guys, and that's all for today. So subscribe, like, and comment, and and also ring the bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.